Good day, Ma'am, Sir. My name is Hazel Joy Kakal. I'm 40 years old. I'm a single parent of two children, twins, boy and girl. She and he, 16 years old. I currently living at Mapalad, San Agustin, Isabela, Philippines. I'm a high school graduate, Ma'am. I worked before in Hong Kong, 4 years and 5 months, same employer, have three persons, two adults and one children. She is 6 years old. My responsibility is taking care of the children, prepare food, changing clothes, drop the school bus, and my daily routine, Mom, I'm cooking, cleaning, ironing, wash clothes, and marketing, and also taking care dog, Mom. Don't worry, Mom. I love children like a taking care on my own. I'm trustworthy and honest, and I will do my best. Thank you, Mom, Sir.